Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello little friends. Let's draw a dog and color this cute doggy and make it your own. Then, try drawing your doji.
Bravo! Whoa!
Perfect?
Whoa!
Perfect?
Fantastic!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.